Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilots YouTube channel. And today we're going to talk about the plastic that makes up the Red Rudder Cap. It's not a very exciting topic. I mean, it's made out of a very special plastic. It only lets certain colors of red through, and it has to let a certain amount of light through, so the opacity of it has to match. But anyway, it's not very scientific, but it'll win you some prizes at the next cocktail party if you're talking trivia. For some more fun. So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. As we said, this material is out of very special red. If it's too dark, it doesn't let enough light through, and they had some Red Rudder caps made like that years ago, and they're much too dark. They really need to be disqualified, but they need to be of the right color, and that lets the light pass through, lets the strobe white come through, even if you're using a red bulb underneath of it. But it's a very special material, and you know, we used to see those red glass lanterns that used to hang in saloons, and they were expensive because to make the red, they had gold in the glass. Well, you would think this material has gold in the acrylic plastic because of what they charge for it. That piece you see me holding there, about 8 inches by 8 inches, is about $100 of material for this very special red. Not very scientific and not very sexy, but that's one way you can spend your money. And then when you put it on the mold and you stretch it in the forming mold, here's what you get. You get a Red Rudder cap out of the deal. And then you have to have it the right thickness too. You don't want them too thin so they shatter. You don't want them too thick so they're hard to deal with. And again, hard to trim and hard to mold. But anyway, just a little look at some of the material for plastic. And let me say that if you're interested in some of this red material, I mean, you saw that I have a bunch of it in like 8 inch by 8 inch sheets. Get a hold of me. I'll send you some. I've got plenty. Just pay for some postage. But anyway, it's a very special material, ladies and gentlemen, of a special color. And you can use the material like on your eyebrows if you still have the old Edison bulbs. They can give you the better red than that red gel that was in there. You can also at the same time replace the silver foil on your glare shield so that you get more reflected light. But everybody's going to LEDs today, even with the LED bulbs that go where the GE52 bayonet bulbs go. So I know this is all sound a little complicated just to talk about a piece of plastic in your airplane. You're not going to win any Academy Awards knowing this material, but you might win a free drink at a cocktail party. So we hope you found all this useful and informative. Thanks for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman. Freckles, our cat supervisor, and we'd like to introduce the new cats to you. We have Hopscotch there on the left. The other small ginger is Tarzan. He came with that name, and his sister will be popping up in just a second, and her name is Sweet Pea. These are the new cats that we've adopted into our home. It's going to be a nice little family, and we're having a ball. Thanks for watching.